Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class. This is Priyadarshini Patel, and today we are going to discuss list view, page layout, system validations, and custom validation. So here is our today's agenda. Okay, so today we are going to discuss list view, then page layouts, then system validations, and then validations rules. Like system validation means the validations rules which already present in our Salesforce, and the validations rules which we create by our own self. So we will talk about all these things. So first we are going to discuss about the list view. So let's start. What is the list view? Okay, so list view. Okay, so list in Salesforce list view allow us to access data on objects where we can create new view according to our own requirements. And just suppose we have more than one user or we have multiple users, and we don't want to show the same records to all users. In that case, we can use the list view, and we can use the filters. So that all user cannot see the same records, and we can also create our own list view, customized list view. So just suppose we want to see some particular records according to some specific criteria. In that case, we can create our own list view, and otherwise we can just filter the existing list view using the filters, and we can see the records which we have to need to see. So list view allow us to customize and create new list view, and it's provide us help it provides us like it's allow us to, okay, we can create a list view according to our requirements, or we can create list views according to what we want to see on our page. Okay, and with up to 15 visible fields display as column in the list view, and we can leverage fields filter to refine the data and select fields to display based on any field we have access to. And we can pick the order that the columns display in, and we can even sort by column, ascending or descending. And each user can have their own personal custom list view. Okay, each user can have their own personal custom list view, and this new list view can and should be leveraged to speed up user access to import the records. So let's see how we can create the list view, and how we can use the filters so that we can see the records what we want to see. Okay, so let's see how we can create the list view. Okay, so as you know, here is the navigation bar. Okay, as you know, this is the tabs. Okay, so at this time we are in opportunity, and we can see here is the opportunity tab, and here is the, so here is a short list, here is a list. Here we can see some options are given over here, like all opportunity, recent view, and closing next month, closing this month, my opportunity, new last week, new this week. All these are list view, all these are list view, all these the options which you see here, which are see which we can see here. It's all are about, it's all telling about the list view. These are the list view. Okay, so first one is all opportunity. All opportunity means we can see all opportunity. Okay, we can see all opportunity by default. And if we are talking about the all opportunity, then it's a out of box list view which we already present whenever we create any object, any tab, so we can see these options. And this one is also so. Recent list view means what we have visited, what we have seen in recently. So this is the recent view. For now I'm not seeing any recent records. That's why it's not showing any record over here. Just suppose I'm just opening any of the record from here. Okay, and again I'm going to the opportunity and click over here. So here you can see in recent list, also now it's showing a one records. It means recent view is just it's showing it's showing the that records which we visited, which we opened recently. Okay, and all opportunity means it's showing the all records which we have created on that object, like created on opportunity. So we you can see all the records over here. And now let's talk about how we can filter the records. Okay, here we can see these are the columns. Okay, so these are the columns, and here is the field name like opportunity, account, amount, close date, stage, opportunity. And you know very well about the fields. So field is like okay, just open any one of the records and go to the detail page. These are the fields. Okay, these are the fields. Opportunity is object, and these are the fields on opportunity objects. So whenever we talking about the list view, in the upper section, here it's showing the field name, and it's showing the values of that field. So, just suppose we want to filter the records, we want to see some specific records. Just suppose I want to see the records which is less than $75,000. Okay, so what I have to do? Now I have to add the filter. So let's go and add the filter so that we can see the record which are only less than the $75,000. Okay, so whenever we want to add any filter to see the records, so where we have to go, we have to go on filter. Here you can see the funnel icon. So you have to click it over here, and here you can see we have two options: remove all and add filter. So you can also remove the filter if you have added any filter over here, and also you can add some new filter. So let's add some new filter. So we want amount should be less than 75,000, and click on done. And as soon as we save, hit here save on save button, we can you can see the record will be the record will be updated, like this page will be updated, and it will be shown only those records which amount is less than 75,000. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here you can see. One second. Okay, so when we just gave when I was giving the amount, I just added 40. So here our condition is amount less than 75,000, less than 75,000. Okay, now it's okay, and hit on done. Okay, so here you can see, we can see only those record whose amount is less than 17,000, 75, yeah, 75,000. Okay, this is the list view. Like we can see only those records which we want to see over here. Now, the next thing, how we can create our own list. Like here you can see, I already created my opportunity list view. So let's go and create one more list view. Okay, so whenever you want to create any new list view, where you have to go, you have to just click on over here the gear button. Okay, And here you can see list view controls. Here you can see the options list view control. Here we have some options like new, clone, rename, sharing setting, edit list filters, and select field to display, delete. So we can create the new list view. We can clone the existing list view. We can rename any list view. If you want to rename your list view, you can rename your list view. Sharing setting, like if you want to share with anyone. And edit list filter, like here you can see I added the filter. So if you want to edit the filters, you can do it from over here. And also you can select which field you want to display and which one not. And this is about the delete. If you want to delete any list view, you can also do it. So let's go and create a new list view. Here I'm gonna give name like my list view exam. Okay. And API name will be automatically populated, as we know. And who see the list view? Here is the option like who can see your list view. If you want only I can see the list view, you can choose only I can see. If all user can access the list view, all users share list view with group. If you want to share this list view with specific users or group of users, so you can do it also. Let's go and let's select this one. All user can see the list view. Okay, now save. Okay, you can see I have created a new list view, my list view example, and here a list view has been created. And for now it's giving the all data. Okay, it's give the all records which we have been on opportunity object. And what we have to do next, again we have to do filters, like what we want to see. Just suppose I want to see the records which stage has been closed on. I want only show that record which stage has been stages has been closed on. So let's do it and again click on the funnel and add filter. Okay, and select the field name from here. So I'm gonna select stage is equal to closed on. Okay, closed on. And if you want to so like closed down, close lost, prospecting, qualify, you can do it also. For now I'm just selecting the only one options like closed door and done. Again save it. Okay, so you can see here we can see only those opportunity which stage value is closed on, closed on, closed on. So this is the benefit of list view. We can see the filter records at a single time. All records you can see, all closed on records we can see over here. And just suppose we want to see closed on and closed loss. So again just edit the filter. Just a second. We can also edit this filter. Okay, close lost and done. So you can see now we can see closed on, closed lost, closed on, closed on. So here is related to close lost. And you want to add some more filter, so you can add like account site. Mm, 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 mm. Lead source equals to phone web. Okay. If lead source equal to web, then the record will be okay. So according to our filter criteria, we got only one record which stage is also closed on, and the amount and stage. Okay, so here we can also check. The lead source is web and stage is closed on. So we got only one record according to our filter criteria. So this is the list way. I hope you will understand well. So we can edit the list view, we can customize the list view, we can create our own list view. And list view just a simple representation of data where we can see the all records, or we can see the some filters record. And we can also create list view according to the users, like if we don't want to see the same record to all users, so we can just filter the record and share with the specific group or something like that. So this is the list view. I hope you will understand. And yeah, one more thing, you if you want to see list any list view all by default, so you can pin up it. So just suppose I want to see my list view, which I created just now. My opportunity example, yeah, my list view example. And I want to see it by default, so just pin it whenever I am opening. Whenever I'll open the opportunity tab, I'll see same page. Okay, let's see. Just suppose for now I'm just click on the leads and again on opportunity. So you can see. And on other tabs, whenever I'm clicking on other tab, it's showing the recently view. When I'm clicking on the opportunity, it's showing the my list view, so you can pin it. Okay, then in this video, we just discussed the list view, and this is good for now. And we will discuss page layout in the next video. Bye, take care.